So how the taste? So good? You like it?
They're so good.
Oh, I love it.
So good. It is really good.
Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Thai-style grilled pork on a skewer. It is among the most popular in Thailand. It is a great barbecue for kids and adults. The taste is so delicious. I make this for my family at the Christmas party and everyone loved it. So this New Year's, if you have a party and thinking of making this recipe, I bet your family and friends will love it. Let's get started. Soak bamboo sticks in water overnight. Slice the pork shoulder butt into long length or bite-sized pieces. The thinner the pork is, the more tender it will get. In the food processor, place garlic and coriander roots. If you don't have coriander root, you can use stem coriander instead. Blend until fine. Remove the pork slice. Add white ground pepper and ground black pepper, or you can use one or the other. Add thin soy sauce. Add salt. Add palm sugar. If you use hard palm sugar, cut to small pieces, then melt in a microwave. Add dark soy sauce, or you can use sweet soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add coconut milk, or you can use whole milk instead. Gently mix them thoroughly. Add vegetable oil or melted butter. I forgot to add before mixing. Cover the bowl and put the mixed pork in the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. Start to skewer the pork. Cut the sides of the pork to make it look better. Place them into a container or tray. Heat the grill onto medium-high heat. Grill for 2-3 minutes on each side or until pork is cooked through. Serve hot by itself or with sticky rice. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. New videos uploaded weekly.